Barn doors breathe open, and the morning folds in. Latte zigzags first, tail like a metronome of joy. Grandpa Sam tips his cap, says the day will come together the way a good knot does, patient and sure. Mia hops the threshold like it's a tiny river. Pallet nickers hello, black and white as spilled ink in snow. Finn stands quiet as a fence post, yet warm as fresh bread. And Pippin, spattered with stars, learns to place his feet. Work is rhythm, not rush. Brushes rasp, leather sighs, latches click. Mia counts strokes the way she counts clouds. One for shine, one for thanks, and one for you're safe here. Sam wheels the feed, hay sweet as summer corn. Vitamins tucked in their box like secret treasures. At the trough, water rings a silver bell. Pallet lowers her head and drinks a sky full. In the wash bay, a small red lamp warms tired muscles. No hurry, just steam, a soft plume of it, and Mia's palm on a damp neck, learning the language of breath and wait and trust. They check the wall, health record neat, handwriting tidy, farrier notes, deworming, teeth cleaned, the quiet math of care. Sam shows the hoof trimmer, steady hands, teaching patience the way lanterns teach light. Out in the yard, a low jump waits. Mia walks it first, heel to toe, whispering to Pallet, "Easy, girl." Finn watches with a soft, amused eye, and Pippin imitates bravery in little hops. By noon, the fan hums, bedding fluffs like fresh clouds. They sweep the aisle, the broom drawing lines of peace. Latte circles once, decides the world is in order, and naps where the sunlight pours a golden square into the barn. Evening gathers honey, soft, slow golden light. They oil the latch so doors will swing easy tomorrow. Mia leans on Sam's shoulder, counting the horses by heartbeat instead of number. Same time next weekend? Sam smiles. The barn answers in cedar and hoof and gentle breath. Breathe, focus, steady, relax. The night, like a blanket, tucks them all in.